When left alone to my own thoughts, I wanna fall on my sword. I quickly come to the point of giving up, I won't do this no more. I feel defeated in my spirit, I don't wanna go on. Is there really a brighter day when I'm in the eye of the storm? Feel like there's no hope on the horizon, or the fire is on. And the people right beside me, till against me they gone. I've been praying for better days since I was taught how to pray. And I'm starting to even doubt if you can hear what I'm saying. Cause I look around, see the pain, chaos and the strife, destruction, the famines, the loss of life. We know you really in control of all this. Is this still part of the plan, or was it something I missed? Help me to understand, God, make it make sense to me. Give me deeper revelation for the plans you have for me. I wanna be the salt of the earth, the light on the hill, the one that does only your will.
As far as the east is from the west, that's how far my plans are from yours. And as high as the heavens are from the earth, my ways are much higher than yours.
Lord, I'm just a lowly spirited man in search of a way, but I can't stand by while I see the fire fade away and just ask, who's gonna take it upon him and take the word and to go and seek and save the lost and preach the gospel, I wanna respond and say, Lord, send me. I go wherever it is you want me to go, but please leave, Cause I'm evil in my mind and wicked in my heart. But if you're willing to use me today, then I'm ready to start. Do like you did to Isaiah and place a coal in my mouth. Burn all the vulgarities and the profanity out. Lord, I'm your servant, just tell me where to go. Up to the highest mountaintop or to the valley low, Use this broken vessel, put it back together again. Open my lips, give me the words to save the people in sin. Let them hear the word that only you bring, and when it's done you receive all the glory.
As far as the east is from the west, that's how far my plans are from yours. And as high as the heavens are from the earth, my ways are much higher than yours.
I always thought that when I gave my life to you, I'd never have to worry, you'd always see me through. And life would just be easy, I'd always have my way. No matter what the issue, just close my eyes and pray. But life's a brutal teacher, it quickly woke me up. Had me swinging against the wind, trying to find which way was up. Now what? I had to come to terms with what you really did. Put aside all your glory to come and deal with my sin, You left your throne up above, sacrifice and shed all of your blood, just so I could understand about what it really means to truly live in love, I ain't never gonna go back, living my life the way I used to. Try my best to please myself and forget the things I put you through. Now I'm a certified, bona fide, verified, sanctified, glorified, set apart for his purpose, soldier of the Most High. Yeah, and no weapon is gonna prosper, cause now I live my life for Jesus Christ.
As far